Hello, this is Niall Whedon, and this is the first video log for a new 2D side-scrolling shooter game called Strikeforce, coded in C++ with the OpenGL Graphics API. Firstly, it's based on an old side-scrolling game that I produced before, but with a few more features that I'll be showing you shortly. Firstly, here's the menu screen. It'll show the news, newest updates, etc., but also is a hub for logging in, creating new characters, and will also be there to see who else is online. Firstly, I've developed a few things down the bottom here, such as text boxes, checkboxes, and the original kind of buttons, which you know what they all do. You can usually just type in username, password, can be masked with whatever you want, and checkboxes, you know what they all do. And I'll just log in now. I already have another client logged in, and as you can see, the first thing is we've implemented 360 degree shooting, which is basically just controlled by the mouse. As you can see by player 0, I'm just moving the mouse around, and the blue and purple arm, which is just for debugging at the moment, moves around with the mouse. This player number 1 is also another client connected to the server, and I'll just move over to this other window, and by moving the mouse in this other window you can see that player 1 is moving their arm, and you can see it in the first client. The next thing is the bullets. As you can see, by just clicking the left mouse button you just fire these little particles, and they'll update, they're sent to the server, then the server updates their positions, but all the rendering and work is actually sent to the client, so we have less strain on the server for sending packets. The next thing would be, if you look to the right, we've got just a developer console here just for new grenade implementation. At the moment we've got two types of grenades, such as the firecracker ones, where if you click the right mouse button they just fire up in the air, and on contact they just go. At the moment they will blow up and create shrapnel, but at the moment they're just here for demonstration purposes. Also, just they fire in any direction. If they hit a player, then obviously they're gonna go away as well. And the second type of grenade is the bouncing grenade, which has up to 1 or 2 bounces. It bounces off players, terrain, or anything that generally gets in the way. So if you fire one of those, then you'll see that they do bounce once, and then they will disappear like the other ones. The last feature I think for today is the moving actually about the map is done with the WASD keys, but also the movement has been upgraded, so that depending on which side the mouse is on the player will move at a different speed. So if my mouse is to the right of the player and I want to move left, I'll go back a lot slower than usual, but I'll still be able to face the same direction and shoot an enemy. Likewise, if I just move right with the mouse to the right side, I'll just go normal speed and I can jump up like this. That's about it for today. Next update will include things such as seamless maps, look into the new map editor, and that's about it for today. So until next time.